Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how you can take care of the battery of this device. So we have to go for the settings. Next we have to find the battery settings, and we have to go for the more battery settings. And I can recommend you to turn on this option, the smart charge. So the preserve battery health by adapting to our charging routine, and the charging may be paused to delay charging our device to 100% until it is needed for real. And also I can recommend you to turn off this option. We don't want to stay connected while asleep, right? It just take the percent of our battery. So just turn it off, click OK, and it's very useful to turn it off, right? Will save some battery. And of course, if you don't have to use the maximum screen resolution, you have to go right here and then change for the HD plus resolution, and it will also reduce some drain of the battery. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.